When you think of Greenhills Mall, chances are you are thinking of fake sneakers, fake Yeezys, fake Jordans, and a bunch of other fakes, right? But there are actually shops in Greenhills that offer amazing, legit sneakers at great prices. In today's episode, I'll be sharing with you a bunch of shoes that you can get for up to 50% off, all of them legit, from one of the shops over at VMALL in Greenhills. Let's go! Now, the shop I'm talking about is actually Planet Sports, which you can find on the second floor of VMALL in Greenhills. Now, this is not sponsored by them. I just so happened to pass by when I was doing an errand in the mall, and I looked inside because they had like a big sign that said sale, and they had a bunch of awesome Nikes that I want to share with you guys today that were up to 50% sale. Now, to those who don't know, Planet Sports is like a legit distributor. They are actually licensed and authorized by Nike, Adidas, New Balance to sell their stuff. So para lang to get that out of the way. Now let's get to the shoes. First up, to those who are fans of the VaporMax, this is like the best time to buy VaporMaxes because almost all shops sell VaporMaxes at crazy discounts, including Planet Sports. We have the VaporMax Flyknit in some sort of like gray and red and black color. This one usually sells for close to 10,000 pesos. It's now selling for just 5,900. So that's roughly around 40% off for this particular pair. They still had a great size run. So if you have been looking for VaporMaxes, you're one of the few, then this is your opportunity. By the way, quick note, if you want to really splurge and buy really good VaporMaxes, the 2020 Flyknit versions are so much more comfortable and so much more awesome. And the story behind it of supporting like recycled stuff is there. So I actually recommend you guys check that out. Now, the next pair is that we have another Air technology equipped shoe. This is the Air Max 200. So this one, we have it in an all black color. So you have that air unit at the back, you have the foam at the front, you have some sort of like mesh upper for breathability and comfortableness levels go up. But it's a really nice chunky sneaker that's more on the low-key subtle side. And this one, they're selling it 50% off because it's now retailing for just 3,148 pesos. A really good shoe for around 3,000, the Air Max 200. Next up, we have a sneaker using one of Nike's latest midsole cushioning technology, which is of course the Joyride, those little beads inside the shoe. You know, they're supposed to conform to the shape of your feet as you run and walk in them to give you the best type of support possible. Unfortunately, the Joyride, at least from what I saw, kind of flopped. It didn't get any traction as much as their other technology, especially when you compare it to React. So it's natural that you see sneakers like this on sale. So the Nike Joyride in different models selling there for around 4,000 pesos, roughly 20-30% off. Not too much of a big discount, but hey, if you're a fan of the technology, now is the best time to pick a shoe up like that, right? Speaking of React, and running shoes. So we'll do React first and then we'll go to running shoes. We have the Nike Element React 55, which is like the lifestyle React sneaker that's been around for a while now. So we have, I think I saw it in two colors. One was like an all black model, and the other one was a black and white model. Now, the Element React 55 is now selling for around 4,000 pesos, roughly 30% off SRP. And now we go to another React shoe, and this is one of my favorites, and this one is 50% off. We have the Legend React 2. Two colors, one in black and white, one in an all blue like theme. Now, the Legend React 2 is one of the more underrated React-equipped sneakers in my opinion. And people kind of dismiss it because it's on the lower end. It's the more affordable one. Retail is around 5,000. You can get this now for 2,500. So it's super cheap, 50% off. So what I love about this one is that it is more supportive for people who have wide feet because the midfoot section and the toe box is a little bit wider compared to your typical Epic React. And I love that the base is also a little bit wider and the collar has a little bit more support. So I find it to be one of the more stable React sneakers. So if you don't like the Element React 55 and you want like a versatile shoe that you can use for working out, running, at the same time, you know, look okay, you might want to check this one out. And again, it's 2.5, 50% off. Crazy deal for this one. Now, speaking of sales and amazing prices, let me just give a quick shout out to the sponsor of today's video, ShopBack. If you guys have been an OG viewer of this channel, you know that I love discounts, and I especially love it when you're able to stack them. ShopBack is one of those apps. It allows you to earn your cash back, so it's kind of like a rebate, and you get to actually withdraw it later on if you buy items from your favorite online shops through the app. So you download ShopBack, you go to the app, and then you access all the different online shops from 𝗀𝗏𝗀𝗀 to Lazada and everybody else through that app. And when you buy something, you actually get your money back after some time, and you can actually withdraw that and use it to spend it on something else. So the trick is stacking discounts. You get, I don't know, like a cashback from your card, and then you get like, use a coupon while during a discount, and then you use ShopBack. So it's like maximum amount of savings that you can get. If the savings aren't enough for you, the good news is they're actually running a treasure hunt promo right now. So if you access the app, you should be able to join the ShopBack 101 Hunt, which is a 10-day giveaway from October 1, started October 1, and will last until October 10. You can win daily prizes, which is amazing considering you already get, the savings from the cashback of your purchases. The prize for today, which is apt for this video, is a 10,000 peso gift certificate from Nike. The prize for tomorrow, October 10, is an iPhone 11 256GB and AirPods 2nd generation. So how do you join the promo and get a chance to win the 10,000 peso Nike gift certificate or the brand new iPhone 11 with the AirPods? First, you have to download the ShopBack app. The link can be found down below. Look for the hidden word on the puzzle of the day every 9 a.m. So that's 9 a.m. on October 9 and 9 a.m. on October 10. Next, you have to take a screenshot of the puzzle and post it on Instagram or Facebook, your Instagram or your Facebook account with your answer, and use the hashtag ShopBack1010Hunt. Make sure that you also tag 2 of your friends in your post and that you follow ShopBackPH on Instagram. Winners will be announced by ShopBackPH every 9 p.m. So make sure that you guys tune on their Instagram and Facebook pages to see if you guys won. Guys, enjoy maximum savings through cashback via ShopBack by downloading the app, and make sure that you join their fun treasure hunt as well. Who knows? You might win 10,000 Nike GC, iPhone 11 256GB, 2nd gen AirPods, panalo. And now we move on to another React shoe, which is the Nike Air Max 270 React. So you have the fusion of 2 technologies. Of course, you have the 270 Air unit, which was popularized by the Air Max 270, and you have the React, which is popularized by the Epic Reacts and all the other Reacts, right? So you combine them, you have the shoe. Now this one, we have it in black and white, and we have it in an all black. And this one is, I think, around 20-30% off, selling for around 4,500 pesos. So if you're looking for a lifestyle Nike shoe, this might be something that you might want to consider. We also have a sneaker that's built for working out. So if you're into CrossFit, if you're into weightlifting, they have a variety of Metcons. So Metcons are their CrossFit, like, weight training type of sneakers, and they have different models. But there's one that look really dope. So this one is some sort of like mocha brown with pops of orange, and they call it the Metcon UT. And this one is also on 50% off, so the price went down to just 3,300. Not bad considering the technology and the science behind the shoe. And lastly, when it comes to running shoes, one of the most immortal, iconic running shoes that you can get, proven by, and it has dozens and thousands of testimonials, not dozens, thousands, from runners all around the world, is the Nike Pegasus line. So we have the Nike Pegasus 36, which is last year's model. We're into the 37 this year. And this one, they're selling at 50% off. And in a lot of colors. They have it in gray, they have it in black, they have it in pink, they have it in blue, they have it in Volt. And the great thing about this one is that it's 50% off. So you can actually buy it for 3,100 pesos. So, the difference is incremental. I mean, the 37 will not make you super faster. So if you just want a shoe for running, then get this one. Get last year's model. It's 50% off, comes in different colors, works really well. So there you go. That's another amazing shoe. So those are just some of the sneakers that I saw that were available over at Planet Sports. They also had like a rack for New Balances and a rack for Adidas shoes, but the selection for both those brands were kind of slim. So the nicer ones were really from the Nike side of the wall, and those were the shoes that I pointed out for you guys today. And maybe if there's one thing that I want to stress, while shoes might be the farthest thing from a lot of people's mind these days, I really feel that now is like the absolute best time to buy one if you need one. So if you really need to buy new running shoes and you have the cash, if you really need to buy new training shoes and you have the cash, if you really need to buy new whatever kind of shoes and you have the cash, it's literally the best time to do so, because almost all the shops are on sale. As in, it is insane. And again, like what I mentioned earlier, if you use ShopBack and you buy online, then you even get your money back, which is even more insane because you have more savings because they all stack, right? So yeah, one of the best times to purchase shoes. So many sales going around. Just make sure that you need it and you just don't want it. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video for today. Don't forget to check out ShopBack. The link can be found down below. Join their promo. Who knows? You might win something, right? With that said, this is Carlo. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.